Walk it in a circle. Open out on 4 and 5 and 6. Side, side. All right.
Get up, hurry up and get up before she go again.
Go again, right away. Shimmy it up. Shimmy. Lots of style. And hips. Side. Beautiful. Walk it in a circle. Open and 5 and 6. Rib, rib.
Stop. Do it right.
Take it again. Pick it up right here. Shimmy. Hips, hips, hips. Walk it in a circle. Open it out and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Excellent. We're going one more. Right away. One more. Style. Pick it up. Side to side with the hip. Bam. Take it out. Beautiful. And 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right. We're going to stay here. Going on. You're going to tap your foot in. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Walk to the side. 5, 6, roll 7, 8. Excellent. Good job, you guys. Take it back out to the side. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Walking 5, 6. Take a roll. 7, 8. Beautiful. Let's take that again half time. So nice and comfortable. Tap it in. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Walk it to the right. 6. Little roll. 8. And you can do as much of a roll there.
I'm about to fast forward it.
Doesn't matter. Here we go. Good job, you guys. Let's pick it up again. Excellent, you guys. Good job. Remember, don't have to do everything perfectly. Just want you to have fun. Put a lot of passion into that movement. We're going to take it from the top. Shimmy those shoulders. Here we go. Here we go. Take it up. 2, 3, 4. Shake it side, side, side. Walk it in a circle. Open on 4 and 5 and 6. Rib cage. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Walk it out. Roll it up. Bam! Yes. Good job, you guys. Woohoo! Nice. All right, let's go again. Here we go. From the top. Shimmy it out. Pick it up right here. Take your hips. Side, side, side. And big circle. Open it up. And 5 and rib cage. 7, 8. Tap it in. Tap it in. Walk it out to the right. Roll it up. Bam! Yes. Excellent. Let's do a couple more.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.